What's up, YouTube? I'm Josh, and this is another episode of Beard Meets Flavor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the best ribs you've ever had in your life. Stick around. I'll show you how it's done. So we're doing ribs, right? Pork ribs. I got a nice rack right here. Store-bought. Wasn't born with them, but here's where we're at. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up these ribs. We're not making competition ribs. We're just making ribs for the family. But look at this. What is that? Somebody wants this flappy flap. So, and there's a little fat. So we're just going to cut that. Right? Oh, the dog is trying to get into something. We'll throw that there for now. And there's not a ton of fat. There's a little bit over on this side. But that should render. So we're just going to let it be. Now we're going to flip the ribs over. Right? And then we've got, you can see under the rib here, we've got this little membrane. See this membrane? You want to pull that off. And we've already kind of got a little bit here. So I'm going to take a paper towel, grab said membrane, and if we get real lucky, God damn it, I'm a professional. Got the whole membrane in one go. I mean, it's like, you guys are all watching this going, holy shit, he's done this before. Made ribs a couple times. Last time I made ribs, my sister-in-law said they were the second best ribs she's ever had next to my stepfather's. So we're going to see if we can knock them off the throne. Another critique, my sister-in-law was a vegan, or a vegetarian rather, for a long time, so I'm not sure how much you can be trusted. But neither here nor there. We're going to take some Traeger rub, and you know what? I'm going to put this in here so that way we don't completely decimate the table here. You know what, guys? Let me wash my hands. We'll come back. We'll rub this guy up. All right, so we're using this Jack Daniel's pork rub. Doesn't smell anything like Jack Daniel's. All right, so we're going to season this guy up nice and good. Nice, even. This is going to give it, obviously, good flavor. It's going to give it a nice bark. And you can slather it if you want to with, like, olive oil or mustard or mayonnaise or whatever the hell you want. I just like to press it in like that. Flip this guy over so we can get both sides. Do the same thing. Okay. Looks nice and rubbed. Pat it in, pat it in. Okay. So I'm going to let this rub just kind of seep into the meat here for about 10-15 minutes. And then we'll throw it on the smoker at 2 1/4. We'll rock and roll. A few hours later, we'll have the best ribs you've ever had. All right, so we got ribs. A nice rack, like I said. Go ahead and take a look so you can see the rub is kind of soaked in, right? So now I'm going to throw them on the old smoker, the pit boss. We'll see in a sec. Okay. All right, so we got the ribs on the smoker, and what I like to do is, you know, just kind of push them together, chunk up that meat a little bit, you know, right there. Boom, that's it. So we're going to let this sit for an hour. Come back in an hour. We'll do a little spritz. We'll do some more smoking. We'll do the whole thing. So stick around. We'll come back. It's going to be amazing. All right, so you can see where we're at. Come take a gander. All right, so we got nice ribs. We're going to just spritz it with some apple juice. There we go. We're going to wait another hour. We'll come back. So pretty. YouTube, look what we got. Check out these bad boys. Oh. All right, so they've been smoking for 2 hours. So we got good color, good smoke. Now it's time to kick up that flavor. So we're gonna wrap the ribs. Excuse me? We gotta wrap the ribs now. Can I do that? All right. He's allowed it. So we're gonna take some butter. What? Okay. Okay. Yep. We're doing that right now. We're getting butter. Yep. Okay. So we got some butter. We're gonna take a little bit of. The kid he's like one of those crawlers from a movie, you know, just fast crawling on the floor. It's a little creepy. A little brown sugar, yeah, a little brown sugar. Okay. All right, so now we've got the good smoke on the ribs. So now we want to kind of steam them, just to kind of add a little tenderness. So I'm going to also, on top of that, add a little bit of smoked paprika. Okay. And because we like a little heat, just a little bit of the smoked chipotle, just like that. Okay. And one moment, please. You could use honey, all different kinds of things like that. We're going to use a little bit of maple syrup. Okay. That's it. So now we're going to take the ribs, meat side down. Oh, man. I wish you guys could smell it, because it smells, oh, it smells so damn good. All right, so we're going to wrap them, being careful not to let the bones poke through the foil. Okay. And because I put 2 pieces of foil together and made a little seam, so I'm going to wrap it under to hopefully prevent some of that, any seepage. And that's it. So now I'm going to take these, I'm going to put them back on the smoker, still 225, but for about 2 hours. And we'll come back, we'll eat some ribs. Okay, we're here. 4 hours later, look at this beauty. Smoky, delicious barbecue ribs. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to kind of cut in the ribs. We'll cut them all up. And then once we're done, we'll come back. We'll try these babies. So stick around. We'll eat in a sec. All right, guys. This is it. The moment we've all been waiting for. If you've stuck around this long, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, tell a couple friends, help the channel grow. But now, let's get down to business. It's time for the beard to meet the flavor, right? Let's grab this guy. Look at this. Check it out. Good smoke ring. I mean, it's a beautiful rib. It's nice. give her a little tasty taste. Man, look at that. So it just comes right off the bone. It's not like fall apart, but it just comes off easy. Watch this. Man, that is so amazing. The savoriness, the barbecue sauce, everything just flows perfectly together. Tony Roma's who? That's all I gotta say. These are incredible. Took a few hours to put together, but damn it, if these are not worth every second. So do yourself a favor, grab a nice rack from the store, throw them on the smoker, make these for your family. We'll see you guys on the next one.